show you all of them because we want you to go there, but we have two amazing sushi vendors joining me now from Villani Jewelry. Is Miss Villani herself, comes to us by way of Brazil. Can you tell us the story of how this your designs came about and how your company came to be?
Yeah, so my jewelry is all designed and made in Brazil. Villani is me. I'm the name and face of my brand. So when I moved to Guam, I saw a lack of good jewelry that you can get in the ocean, shower, and it's not gonna like tarnish, you're not gonna turn green or black. So these are all hypoallergenic, nickel-free.
And they go really, really well together.
They do. So yeah, I like to layer like this because I do get clients saying, I don't know how to layer my jewelry, so here I am to help you. Like right now I'm wearing two items together. This is a choker and one of my best.
And that goes very, very nicely
Yeah.
with your shirt.
I know, you're perfectly matched. And I love that you also had in mind that, you know, people are always in the water.
Yeah.
So this is great. I could
Yeah.
wear this in the water and I'm totally fine.
Okay. Now you know here at KUM, we really, really, of course, Destiny love supporting like local businesses like Villani's and everything. It's a family-owned business. Okay. What are some of your most popular items in your inventory? Because you've got such a wide
Yeah.
selection.
So Destiny is wearing one of those. So this is a pearl necklace and features my diamond chain necklace, which is super sparkly. And I also is super huge on the faith Catholic. So I do bring items like this. Rosary here is one of my best sellers.
Hey, Lent is coming up, you guys. That's a wonderful Lent gift. Yeah.
Right. And
You don't have to wait for 40 days. You can buy this right now.
yeah.
I'm wondering, Destiny, because a lot of people, if I was to give you like a gift,
Okay.
you would be very, very appreciative, but you might also ask, Jason, how many carats is this and everything? So what are the range of like, people ask, is it 22, is it 24?
Yes, so in Brazil we like to work with 18 karat gold. So all my jewelry is 18 karat gold filled with a layer of 18 on top of brass. So that's, yeah.
Okay, and all of your materials are from your home country of Brazil?
Yes, everything sourced and made over.
Lauren, may I ask that? How does that feel? Because some people will say, you know, it's also the weight of a piece. And
It's lightweight. It doesn't feel very heavy at all. Like I think I could wear this all day.
Yeah.
Fine.
you seem
Yeah,
really
beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. I love it.
Okay, can you just tell us, Villani, about being involved with the marketplace, what it's meant for you right now as far as like exposure, getting the name out there, and generating customer interest?
Actually, who brought me to this was my husband. He bought all the like spots available for all the swap meet last year. And I brought like so much exposure to my business and lots of people started like coming after me. So the marketplace is just an amazing place for you to do unboxing.
Where can people find you if they want to see more of your collection and get in touch with you?
So just go to Villani Jewelry _Guam. Our website's gonna be up soon. We're so excited and you can always reach out to us. We're like step away to replying all the messages and can wait for your love and we love that.
Okay, Destiny, can we do one of these together? And Lauren, if you would? Okay, I want to say packaging, I almost don't want to open it. I mean, I totally want to open it to see what's inside, but the packaging is exquisite. I mean, this is, for my money, this is right up there with like an iPhone. Right?
Yeah, I would display this on my room.
Thank you.
Fancy. Like I feel so fancy right now. And I'm so excited for Valentine's Day.
Okay, I know you don't normally cheer gift boxes and everything, but like I'm up to cheers.
I want to be here too.
It
Cheers.
makes sense. It does now.
It makes
We're
sense.
making it happen here on Hot Spot. We want you to make Villani's Day and make your Valentine's Day extra special by making sure that you check her out.